Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. This is the Badlander seat, guys. Oh, it's very dusty. This is the OG seat. I must say that seat does look good on the bike. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete. They call me Scooby. Hope everybody's having a great day. We're in the middle of October. Today's highs is going to be like in the 70s. That's right, I just said hi to a scooter. Today I'm rocking my Harley Davidson Badlander seat. I gotta say, it feels good to get back on it. You're gonna see whoa guy, where you going? Guy almost went off the road over there. He actually did. I'm just gonna talk about the ride that I did the other day with my buddy Joe in his beautiful street glide. I think it's a 2020 street glide. Done quite a few things. He wants to get more done to it. He did a red interfering. He's got the red, I don't know, wind deflector in red. I think it's called the wind deflector. I don't even know. But he was looking for more ideas on what else to do to that bike and to make it more red. I told him, get rid of all the chrome, paint it all red. But that would be an insane amount of work. Oh, he's got a lot of chrome on that bike. But anyway, you might be looking for a local painter. If anybody you guys know, if any of y'all know of a local painter, South Coast, Massachusetts, let me know in the comments, and I'll pass on the information. Anyway, I did start recording that video with him, but that day was kind of chilly. I left the house with my GoPro with 70% battery. The thing died. I think I was 3 minutes into the video and it died. So I'll post a couple of clips of it over here. That road, yeah. That's why I gave you a little bit of training on the dirt course over there. Oh, yeah? Oh, welcome back and look at that beautiful foliage over the lake. Look at that. Oh, winter's coming. Ah, this seat feels great. I was thinking about repadding or adding gel to my Mustang seat. But now, after getting back on this seat, because it's been a long time since I've been on this seat, I might just do this seat instead. Because this seat, I believe, no, it's not the cheapest seat I have. The Mustang seat is actually the cheapest seat I have. So I was thinking, if I mess up a seat, then it is what it is. I doubt I'd mess it up, but because I do reupholstering for a living. But you never know. You just never know. You know what? I'm gonna go this way. I got time to kill. Enjoy more back road riding. Woo! I tell you what I do like about this seat is it's nice and wide. I got a big butt. When I was cleaning her off, I noticed I felt my impressions of my buttocks in it. Well, in reality is, when I had this seat on, I could probably get, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour out of it. Hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes if I was lucky. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. One day at a time. I got a couple of more reviews coming for you guys. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for future content. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of the scenery of this road. Look at that house. Trees. Pretty over there. Ooh, maybe I'll do a Yui. See if I can get a picture with the bike on there. Because it looks like I had room to put the bike over there, off the side of the road. Is there a spot clear enough? Here. Look at that tight turn. I could have done it tighter. We are going to... Ooh, would this be a good spot right here? No, because that's hideous looking. Ah, look at that. See if we can find some turtles. There's a duck. Oh, there's a little bridge. I've never been back here. Turtles. Turtles, any turtles, froggies, turtles, froggies. A lot of walnuts, squirrels. Y'all must be hanging around here. Oh. Rest in peace there, buddy. Can't quite see the name, James. Looking for some turtles. There's the secure. Yes, good. We can cross. Yes. Turtles. Fishies. Turtles. Froggies. Froggies. Turtles. Leaves. Bunch of leaves. Oh, there's some action going over. Look at those little fishies. They're going nuts. Oh, wait, are those tadpoles? Those must be tadpoles. I can't tell from here. Huh. Turtles. Any turtles? Turtles. Okay, let's go. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. The bike is that way. Let's go. Let's get some more foliage. Fall riding. Let's do this. Oh, I just saw something. Oh, this is sketchy. Is the bike gonna stay? Stay? Are you gonna stay? Alright, you're gonna stay. And I just shut it off. I hate when people do this. Why? I come to a place, bag full of candy and dog food. I don't know what the fuck kind of food that is. But if there's a bag full of candy, I'm sure it can't be healthy and safe. Alright. Oh my gosh. Look at all that dirt on my kickstand. Oh, kick back. I can't even kick it back. I only have to ride his kickstand out. Get back. There we go. Hopefully all the dirt and rocks fell out. Well, I guess you guys can consider this a special treat. If you've watched it this far, let me know. Give me a bird emoji or something of that nature. I don't even know if there is such thing as a bird emoji. If there's no bird emojis, give me a thumbs up in the comment. I really would like to go that way, but I'm on my way to work, so I don't got time to go that way. Maybe later. Alright guys, talk to you later. That's the end of this video. Whee! Look at that tree. Can you spot it? Probably not. I don't think the camera got that one. Looks like a little fireball, just so perfectly straight up.